What's up, YouTube? Here I am again today. Today is day 3 post-op from artificial disc replacement surgery with the Mobi-C device. Had that done at level C6-C7, C7-T1. Today was a better day than yesterday, which was to be expected. I did have a little difficulty sleeping last night in a flat position. Last night was the first night I was at home, not in a hospital bed, and that was a little difficult. Laid down flat to start out with. Needed to get up about 20 minutes after I laid down, and that was just about impossible. I guess the strength of the neck and raising straight up off of the bed like I'm used to just wasn't where it needed to be at. So did find a way to kind of inch off the bed and get on my feet and then raise myself up, but from that point I decided to go ahead and sleep in the recliner for the rest of the night. Made it through the night fairly easy, no kind of pains waking me up in the middle of the night, so that was good. Got up this morning about 9 o'clock, did have some discomfort, nothing like it was yesterday, but it definitely was a level of discomfort. Some pain across the top of the shoulders, pain in the upper chest area, incision site had a little pain. I will say that as far as pain in the throat, the sore throat feeling, started out kind of rough today, but throughout the day has just about completely gone. So that's a big plus there. I got out and about, went to town today, was able to walk around, do some shopping. Probably overdid it a little bit, but that's okay. I tried to hold off as long as I could on any of the pain medication. I think I went about 10 hours after my first dose this morning before I needed another dose, which they have me on the Norco 10 milligrams. Took a shower tonight, which was nice. Got out of the shower, and today being day 3 post-op, today was the day for me to remove my bandaging, which was just a waterproofing bandage with like a 4x4 on top of what's closing up the wounds. So you can see there, right there is about all that's left of it right now. I have I think there's about 7 or 8 steri strips that's holding it together. The surgeon said there were some internal stitches, and then I'd have them steri strips that they would kind of just dry out and air dry and heal. That air would heal, and them steri strips would pretty much fall off sometime over the next week. As far as everything else goes, keep progressing like I progressed from yesterday till today, then this shouldn't be that bad. But tomorrow I'll post again and let you know how day 4 post-op goes. Thanks for watching.